Good morning class, welcome to the e-learning class. So in previous classes you studied about the statistics, what it means, how do we differentiate the statistics and data. Okay, in last session you also read about mean, median and mode. Sorry. Okay, it is about mean, median and mode. So today we will learn more about these terms and how do they differentiate by each other. Okay, let's start. So there is a beautiful garden and also a beautiful girl. She is picking some flower from this garden. Okay, so in her garden there are some plants and the height of that plants are given in this table. Okay, for example, height of plant is, it is given in centimeter. If it is 2 centimeter, then number of plants are 5. Okay, what does it mean? It means that there are 5 plants whose height is 2 centimeter. Okay, so same as there are 3 plants whose height is 7 centimeter. So this is the data given in this table, and you have to find the median for the following data. Okay, so how do we find? Okay, let's check. So do you know what is the formula to find the median? Can anyone remember the formula? Okay, let's see. First, what are given to us? The observations are arranged in an order. So first we have to find how many total number of plants are there. Okay, so for this we have to add all these numbers. So there are 5, 3, 9, 10, 8 and 5, and here we have to find another term. So we know that the median is n plus 1 upon 2th term of the observation. What is n here? N is the total number of observation, which is 40. Okay, so what is the median? So if we find from this, so we will get 40 plus 1 upon 2, which is called 20.5. Now where is 20.5? What does it mean 20.5? Because we know 20 plants, 21 plants, 22 plants, but what is 20.5? So for 20.5 we have to find the mean of these two. Okay, we have to find mean of plant number 20 and 21 height. Okay, so let's see how do we solve this one. The median lies between 20th or 20 observation and 21st observation. So here we can check now where is 20 and where is 21 lie, because we have total plants are 40. For to find this one we have to find some cumulative frequency. Now we will find the cumulative frequency. So 5 plants has height 2 centimeter. So there are 5 plants whose height is 2 centimeter. Then there are 3 plants whose height is 7, same as for 9, again for 10, then 8 and then 5. So it is given here, height is 2 centimeter, for these plants height is 7, and for like this. Now where is 20 and 21st plant lie? Okay, so this is 5 plants and these are 8, 9, 10 plants. If we number all these plants, so we can figure out that number 8, number 9, number 10 plants height is what? Yes, tell me. Good. It is 7 centimeter. So this plant is 6th plant. Okay, so 5 plants are there. Then we have 6, 7 and 8. Okay, these are the number of plants: 6th plant, 7th plant and 8th plant. So this is 8th plant. Then we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 and 17 plants. So like this we will get this plant. So we have this plant is 17 number, then it is 18, this one is 19, this one is 20. So this plant is 20th plant. Then what is 21st? It is 21st. So we can say, now tell me what is the height of 20th plant? It's 17. And what is the height of 21st plant? Yeah, it is again 17. So both plant has height 17 centimeter. Okay, so to find the number of plants, if we want to give the if we want to numbering these plants, so we have to find first plant is 5 and we have to add 5 plus 3 here, then we will get 8. So this is 8. Then again we will start from 8 plus 9, it is 17. Then we have 17 plus 10. Okay, and this is 27. Then we have 27 plus 8, it is 35. Then we have 35 plus 5, which is 40. So this is called numbering of plants, or we can say these frequency are called cumulative frequency. Okay, so these frequency are called cumulative frequency. So did you get how did we find cumulative frequency? Okay, let's see. First number is 5, it is same. Now we have to add 5 plus 3, then we will get 8. Then we have to add 8 plus 9, then it is 17. Then 17 plus 10, 27, then 35, and then we have 40. Okay, that's how you will get the cumulative frequency. Now we will get where is 20.5 observation. So this observation lies in this section, because we know that from 18 to 27, from 18 to 27 it lies in 27 frequency. And what is the height of this frequency? It is 17. So we have two plants, 20 plants 17 height, and again 21st plant again 17 heights. And if we find mean of these plants, so mean of 17 plus 17, it is again 17. So this is our median. Okay, so we got the median for these. Now there is grouped data, this is called grouped data. Now the number of plants whose height is less than 5 centimeter. So how many plants we have whose height is less than 5? So it comes in this range. So this one is, so how many plants whose height is less than 5 centimeter? it is 5. Then plants whose height is 5 to 10 and whose height is less than 25 centimeter. Now how many plants have less than 25? So for less than 25 we have this one, this one, this one, this one, and all these plants have height less than 25 centimeter. Okay, so to find this one we have to add all of these. So let's check. Now I add all of these. So 5 plus 3, 8 plus 9, 27. Oh, 27, then plus 8, 35. And from here we can find CF also. It's 5. This one is 8, or we can write these same as less than 5. So plants, number of plants less than 5 is 5. Number of plants less than 10 centimeter height, it is 8. Less than 15 we have 8 plus 9. Yes, what is 8 plus 9? It is 17. Then so on we can get the other cumulative frequency. So this is what cumulative frequency mean. So now we have two types of cumulative frequency, and this type of cumulative frequency called less than type, because if we check this CF, so it is less than 5, then again less than 10, and then again less than 15, and other type of CF is more than type. Okay, so we will get to know about this later. So here 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 are the upper limits of the respective class interval. So I think you already know about this one. What is upper class, what is upper limit, what is lower limit. Okay, so if we have class 10 to 15, so this is called lower limit and this is called upper limit. Okay class, now it's question time for you. So use your raft and give the answer. What is the median of the following data? Okay, so you can use that formula and your time starts now. Find the median of the following data. Okay class, give the answer. Okay, and your time is over. So correct answer is 8. Now we have seen the less than type of cumulative frequency. So now find how many number of plants are there whose height is more than or equal to 5 centimeter. It should be more than 5 or equal to 5 centimeter. So how many plants? For this one we have to add all these numbers. So these all plants have height of more than or equal to 5 centimeter. So it is 35 because we have to add all these numbers. The number of plants whose height is more than or equal to 20 centimeter. So we have to add these two. So it is 13. Now this one is called, we can write this one as more than 0. So it is more than or equal to 0. And what is CF for this one? So for this one, because we have to find the number of plants whose height is more than or equal to 0. So for this one we have to add all these numbers. So this is how we can get the value of CF for this one. Okay, so this is different type of the previous one. So we have to add all these ones. So we know that the total number of plants are 40. So this is 40. Now if we find more than or equal to 5, so for this one we have to add next. So it is 40 minus 5 because here we have to subtract from these. So it is 40 minus 5, which is 35. Again for this one we have to subtract what? Can you tell me? We have to subtract which number from 35? Yes, very good. We have to subtract 3 from 35. So as you can see here that if we have to find more than type, so we have to subtract the numbers, and if we have to find the less than type, just we read previously, so for to find that CF we have to add frequencies. Okay, so it is 32. Now subtract 32 from 9. Yes, it is 23. Then subtract 23 from 10. What will you get? 13. Again subtract 13 and 8. So this one we will get 5. Okay, so this last number should be equal to this number. Now this is CF distribution of the more than type. Here we will use these terms, and these are called lower limit. So these are the lower limits of the respective class interval. So this is, we have more than type. What is the median of the following data? Now find the median for this data, and your time starts now. Okay, do this question quickly. Okay class, your time is over. So correct answer is C, 8.5. Okay, now find the median for the following data. So this data is little bit different from our previous question, because in previous question we don't have any grouped data, but this is called grouped data because there are some class intervals. So for this one we will use a formula for the median. Okay, first we will find the cumulative frequency or which type, we will use here less than type. Okay, so first frequency is 5, then add 5 plus 3, which is 8, then we have 17, 27, and then 35, and then 40. Okay, now what is here n? N is called the last CF, so it is 40. So we have to find n upon 2, which is 20. So median is the 20th score. So here median is the 20th score. So this one is called median class. It is 15 to 20, but we don't know that what is the height of 20th plant, because here the height of plants are given in class interval. So it may be between 15 and 20, but we don't know the exact value. Okay, so now this is the formula to find the median. Okay, so what you have to do, learn this formula. So median is called L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Okay, and I think you understood all the terms. This is lower limit, this is total number, this is cumulative frequency, this is frequency, and this is height. Oh, this is called class difference. So here L is called lower limit of the median class, and this is the median class. So to find the median class, you have to find the n by 2. So in which CF this n by 2 lies, so this is called the median class. So value of L is 15, then n by 2 is, what is n by 2? Yeah, we already find this one. Now what is CF? CF is not this one, we will not choose this as CF. We have to find the CF is the previous CF. So here CF is cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. Okay, so what is CF here? It is 17. Now what is F? F is the frequency of median class, and this is 10, and H is called class interval or class size, which is 20 minus 15, which is 5. Now we have all the values for this formula. So now put all the values in this formula, then we will get median. L is 15 plus 20 by 2, 20 minus 17 upon 10 into 5. Okay, now it's so easy to solve this one, isn't it? Okay, so solve this one. So 5 2s are 10, then we have 3 by 2, 15 plus 3 by 2, and 3 by 2 is 1.5, and then add 15 plus 1.5, which is 16.5. So this is the median of this data. Okay, so median is 16.5. Okay class, now question time. What is the median for the following data? Again, find the median, and your time starts now. What is the median for the following data? 90, 45, 67, 34. Okay, and your time is over. So correct answer is D. It is 50. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers, and this is given. We have to find median and mean and mode also for this data. Okay, so first we will find the mean. So n is 68. Okay, first we have to find median. So for this one we will find the CF also. So median is 34th score. What is n by 2? Because n is 68. So median is 34th score. And in which CF 34th score lie? Okay, for this one we have to find CF. So first CF is 4. What is the next CF? Tell me, students. Yes, very good. The next CF is 4 plus 5, which is yes, it is 9. Now what is the next CF? Yes, very good. Now add these and get this one. It is 22. Now 42, then we have 56, then we have 64, and then we have 68. Okay, so if you have to find that if you have to check that you get the correct CF or not, so just check the last CF and the total number of observation given. So these both should be equal. Okay, class. Now where is median class? What is median class? Where 34th score lie? So it lies in this median class. So this is our median class. So this is our median class. From here we can find L. So L is lower limit of median class. Now n by 2, what is CF? It is preceding the CF of preceding median class, of class preceding the median class. So what is that one? This one. It is called CF. Again, frequency of median class is 20, and H is subtract 145 from 25. It is called class size. Okay, this is again 20. Now put all the values in this formula and you will get the answer very quickly. It is 34 minus 22 over 20 into 20. Okay, class, so you will get the value 12 plus 125. Cancel out 20 with 20, and we have 137. So this is our median. Now we have to find what is the next we have to find. It is mean. So you all know how to find mean because it's so simple. Okay, so we can use any method here. I think you already studied 3 methods to find the mean. So this is sigma fi. Now what is xi? Midterm of these two, which is 75. It is 95. Then we have all these numbers. So we will use here assumed mean method. Okay, this method we will use here to find the mean. So we can take this one as assumed mean, which is a. So now subtract a from all these, then we will get d, value of di, which is minus 60, minus 40, minus 20. Now these, all these. Okay, now we can find fi into di, multiply fi with di. Okay, so this is the formula to find the mean. Okay, here ui is the step deviation method. So you can use any method, assumed mean, step deviation, or direct method. To find ui, we have to divide all di by h, and what is h here? It is 20. So we will get minus 3. Okay, then you will find fi into ui. So multiply fi with ui. So 4 3s are minus 12, then 5 2s are minus 10. Okay, so we will get sigma fi ui, which is 7. Now use this formula to get the value of mean. And this is again 7 upon 68 into h, which is 20. So 35 upon 17 is 2.05. So what is median here? 137.05. Now we have to find the mode. So use the formula to find the mode. What is model class? Model class is the class which has more frequency, most number of frequency. So this is our model class. What is lower limit here? Again L. So this is the formula to find the mode, which is L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2, okay, into h. So what is f1 here? This is again f1, this is again f0, and this is again f2. So f1 is 13, f0 is f0 is 13, f1 20, and f2 is 14. And put all these value in this formula, so you will get the answer. Minus 40 minus 13 minus 14, which is 27. So this is our mode 135.77. So we got the all three values: median, mean, and mode. So for this distribution, mean, median, and mode are more or less equal. So they are approximate equal. Now next question: a life insurance agent found the following data. Okay, so these data is given to you: age below 20, below 25, and this. So because it is given below or less than, so we can say that these numbers are CF, or less than type CF. Okay, so it is below 20, 20 to 25. So we are changing this one, but to find the number of these policyholders, we also change this one, because this one is CF. Okay, so this is CF, but we have to find frequency for this data. So now how will we find frequency? So we know that this one is equal. Now we have to subtract, because to find the less than type CF we have to add, but to find the frequency, which is reverse process, so we have to subtract from these. So from here we will subtract 2 from 6, so it is 4. Again we have to find we have to subtract 24 from 6, so it is 18. Again 45 minus 24, 21, then these values. Okay, so here we got the frequency for this one. So here n is 100, find n upon 2, which is 50. Then find the median class. So it is 50th score. So median class is this one, 35 to 40. What is L here? 35. What is n by 2? It is 50. CF is previous CF, which is 45. Then F is 33 and H is 5. Okay, so if we solve this one, so we will get the value. So it is 35.75. So in this question you are given some, find the value of xy, because there are frequency which is not given to you. Okay, already median is given 28.5, so n by 2 it is 30, 30th score. Okay, this one is 40 plus x plus y, which is 45 plus x plus y. So we know that this one is equals to total n, and this is our median class, because what is the median? It is 28.5 and it lies in this class interval. So from here we can find, we will use this formula. So L is 20, then we have CF, which is 5 plus x, F is again 20, and we have H, which is 10. Class size is again 10. So use the formula, put the values. Okay, so from here we can get the value of x. Okay, now take 20 to other side, subtract from 28.5. Now multiply 8.5 with 2, it is 17. Then subtract 17 from 25. Then we will get value of x is 8. Now this is called total number of frequency. So then what is the value of y? It is 7. Okay, hence x is 8 and y is 7. Okay, now This is your question. How do you feel for today's class? And your time starts now. Okay, class, your time is over. So what did we learn today? We learned about the median and how to find a median in a grouped data. Okay, what is the formula to find the median? It is L plus n upon 2 minus Cf over F into H. So this is the formula to find the median. Okay, and here you know what is L, lower limit, n number of observations, Cf or the preceding class, F is frequency, H is class size. Okay, so now you also try some more question based on the mean, median and mode and try to solve by yourself. Okay, so now it's time to end the class and we will meet in next class. Till then, goodbye and thank you.